What's up, guys? I know it's been way too long since I made a video. Um, just been really busy. About 3 weeks ago, I drove 4.5 hours to go meet people that I've never actually met in person. That was way out of my comfort zone, but it was really cool. I went to go see one of my good friends. I've been friends with her for almost 3 years. She lives up near Buffalo, New York. So I drove up there. She had a big party, met a bunch of people up there. Her boyfriend is actually the one that made my intercooler for me, and I also met like his crew of people, or well, their crew of people, and it was pretty badass, really. Then last weekend I went to the Evo DSM shootout with the same group of people, so that was also badass. Sadly, my GoPro was not working correctly. I don't know why until the very last day, conveniently. And I didn't get any pictures, I didn't get too many pictures and videos. I got some off my phone. I'll probably throw a couple of them in this video just to kind of show what was up a little bit. But other than that, what I'm going to do today is just a quick walk around of the Evo. I know it was requested, I don't know how long ago. It was like my first video, someone asked to do a walk around. So that's what I'm going to do today, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Also, super shitty thing that happened when I was over in Ohio at the shootout was I hit a dead deer on the road. Fucked up my bumper pretty bad, but nothing a little bit of fiberglass and some sanding can get rid of. The only thing I'm missing is this part right here, but I could probably fab something up, make it look like the other side. It'd be way cheaper than just buying a new bumper. And then I don't have enough purple left to just redo the front bumper after I fix it. So it's gonna be color change time. Fuck it. So we'll get into this walk around. Alright, so here's the quick review. This is obviously the Evo 9. I have the SE version, which has the red stitched Recaros that are super nice, love them, and with the 5-speed. Bodywork isn't much besides the front bumper. The paint, well, it's auto flexed, a custom purple that my buddy got for me. I am on some Firehawk Indy 500s. They are 255 35s, 18s, with a set of NTO3 wheels. And where all the money is in the bay. Obviously, everything, I mean, I don't even have to pop the hood because everything's pretty much internal, but it is a BS Fab top mount stock frame manifold with a FP black and his teardrop hood dumps for the 38 mil wastegate, and it's a 3.5 inch exhaust dump. Engine is completely built, Manley H-beam rods, ACL race bearings, Wiseco 1400 HD pistons, compressions 9-0 or 9021, 272 cams, they're GSE S2s, they're Beehive springs and retainers as well. I'm not running a catch can, I just have everything vented because who cares about the environment. The crank and the valves are stock inside the motor. Whole new fuel system minus a feed line. It's a Busher Racing double pumper kit that I have underneath the seat. They're in tanks. I have two 450 Walbros. One's a high pressure one, which is my main. Then I have the secondary is the regular, it's a lower pressure one. Those run into a -8 feed line, I believe, that runs from the tank whole way up to the actual rail, to the AEM rail. Then AEM fuel pressure radiator, the Doghouse Performance 4.5-inch intercooler. I believe it is a Vibrant core. I don't remember. They pressure tested up to, I believe, 45 pounds, so I should be good there. It's all engine hard piping. I believe it's 2.5 stock root because I still have the stock size battery. The injectors are FIC 2150 cc's. They're essentially pretty much the biggest ones I could have got, and I don't mind FIC a whole lot. I believe that is it for performance wise. I don't remember, but it was tuned at CBRD, made 504 on their Mustang dyno, so I'm happy with that, and I believe that's it. So yeah, if you guys have any more questions, something that I didn't cover, I mean, I guess I can go over the interior, which really isn't much. It's pretty much stock, except for some gauges, you know, obviously. I run everything AEM, boost, air, fuel, oil pressure. I have I believe Quartz made the inlay, the gauge inlay. I don't remember. I bought it off a buddy for like next to nothing. But everything else is very stock. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, any more questions, hit me up. You know, say something in the comments. You know, I'm here to answer shit. So that'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoying.